Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel in which we feature some of the craziest moments caught on bikers camera. Today's episode is going to be dedicated to bikers whom we all love and appreciate for their random acts of kindness. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into this episode. I don't know what got this Karen so worked up, but she sure was mad as hell at those bikers. Perhaps she didn't like the fact that they were filtering past the traffic. When she got out of her car, she even tried to push one of the bikers off his bike. This is crazy footage.
Mira. Ahí. Oye, eso no es la forma. No es la forma.
Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel in which we feature all the craziest encounters captured on bikers camera. This episode is packed with all sorts of wild moments, and just in the first clip we had something that looks like a crash aftermath. Biker arrived fresh on the scene and a lot of things unfolded when he arrived. Stay tuned and find out what happened there.
Так, 54, 16, 65. С дороги уйдите, уйдите.
Я за мужем пошла.
С дороги уйдите. Вы куда ушли?
Мы пошли домой за мужем.
Стоп.
Он не берет.
Так. Девушка! Вы куда пошли? Мы уже вызвали, сейчас подъедут. Так, тихо, давайте к машине. Давайте к машине, далеко не уходить, все. Улица Зеленая до конца. Да. Стойте.
Нет, я пошла.
Девушка, стойте!
Even though I don't understand the language, some things really do stick out in a negative way. For example, the way this lady treats her daughter after the accident. She was pushing her around like she was a bag and not a human being that was in a state of shock.
В шоке, ну ребенок, я не знаю, тебе сколько лет? А папа где? Дома где? Здесь или там? А папин номер телефона есть? Чего?
Да, есть, но только не смогу сейчас позвонить.
Почему?
The same thing can be said about the girl's father, who arrived after she gave him a phone call. As soon as this guy came out of his car, he shook his hand with the biker and another bystander, completely ignoring his daughter, who was really afraid and just wanted someone to calm her down and tell her that it's going to be okay.
Поворот не вошли. Да.
Улетела?
Ну вон, видите, стоп снесло. Ладно. Все, Саш, давай, я поехал. Все, давай тогда.
Fellow biker was left stranded in the middle of the road and no one bothered to stop and check on him. Well, no one except this cool biker who passed by. Check out this positive encounter.
Do you need any help? Bro? Yeah, okay. What happened with your bike? Yeah, मुझे इंग्लिश अच्छे से नहीं आता है यार. This is not getting started?
I don't know, bro.
Okay.
I don't have any idea for this.
Okay. Let me check your petrol pump. Sorry, petrol tank. Maybe your petrol will be run out of. Yeah, petrol.
Petrol is off?
Yeah. Here is maybe here is available. There is available a petrol pump. So let's go. I will be push. I will.
There was a gas station further down the road, and this biker offered to push him with his own bike in order to get there. Of course, his buddy accepted his offer because he sure could use any help he could get.
There is petrol pump.
Yeah, that's petrol.
Okay, you will be maybe your problem will be solved.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, this is my responsibility as an Indian. Do you have money?
Yeah, I have money. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, I have money.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Whenever you see someone in need of help, be it an animal or a human being, do help out. To you, it might seem like a no big deal, but to someone, it can mean the world. Say what you want about bikers, but majority of them are really cool and more than willing to help out whenever they can. Such is the case with this cool lady here. Much respect.
Can you get it? You want me to try? I got a boot on, so
Broken.
it's broken. Now, you want me to just hit it with my boot? There we go. All right, it's because you guys had sneakers on. Yeah, all right. Oh, you got it? Okay. See you later.
An elderly gentleman had some difficulties in getting his electric wheelchair onto the pavement. Well, those worries are a thing of past when the bikers showed up. Check out this heartwarming encounter.
There's no pavement lower.
It's awful. Come
Alright.
on, let's.
Watch out. Yeah, watch out.
Guys, you ready? Nick, you want to get that side?
Go on.
Thank you very much.
That's no problem, my man.
There we go. All right.
I'm alright when I get up.
You're alright the rest of the way, yeah?
We'll hop on just on the back.
Thanks very much.
No worries. All right.
Have a good day.
Bye. Thank you.
Kids are a gift to this world. They're so pure and innocent that you simply have to love them.
He's alright, he's come to look at bike. They all love bikes, don't they? See you later, little man.
Need a hand?
Truck driver was left stranded right in front of his driveway. Now that's what I call unlucky. But in every unfortunate situation, there can be found hope, and such is the case here.
Yeah.
Two little children, and by the looks of it, aged 3 or 4 tops, were walking on the side of the road. Bikers who passed by immediately knew something was off, and they pulled over to see what was happening. These poor kids got lost, and they were searching for their parents. Oh man, videos like these always get me all emotional.
Oh, wow. He said his parents are walking this way. If you'll go try to find them. Yeah. Excuse me. Did you see 2 parents looking for little kids walking? There's 2 little lost kids and their parents are looking for them, and they said they were walking this way. I didn't know if you seen anybody. They're like 3-year-olds. Okay. They're right up here, like right at the next entrance right here. So if you see them, their names are Jason and Andrea, the parents, and they should be frantic, looking for little kids. Somebody, they're just holding them on the side of the road. I went down to the farthest one pull off and nobody's there, like looking for kids, so there's no way they walked all the way down there. What are they, 3 and 4?
I think he said 5 and then...
Oh.
Lady was left stranded in the middle of the road, and as other vehicles simply passed around her, this biker couldn't. Actually, he did move on, but he quickly made a U-turn and came back to help.
Oh, sorry. Hey, you want to pop it in neutral real quick? I'll try to push you over here so you're not in the road.
Oh, I would so much appreciate
Yeah,
that.
just put it in neutral. You got to turn the key on like you're starting it. And put your foot on the brake and put it in neutral.
Okay.
All right, park and brake off. All good? All right, you got somebody coming?
Yeah, my dad's on it.
All right, cool.
Way, but thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. I hope it gets going again. Take care. Right?
Biker noticed an elderly gentleman at the side of the road, and he wasn't feeling really well. When he turned back to talk to him, he found out that this guy couldn't walk because he felt strong pain in his leg and his back. Biker stopped a random car and politely urged the driver to take this elderly gentleman to the hospital.
Wszystko w porządku?
Nie, ja biegłem i nagle mnie straszny ból złapał. Ja nie jestem pijany.
Nie, no wiem, tylko...
Mogłem dobiec.
Ale gdzie? W kręgosłupie pan czuje, czy gdzie?
Noga mi ucieka.
Przepraszam bardzo, bo tutaj panu coś się stało, nie może dojść do domu 200 metrów dalej, tylko coś mu się w kręgosłup stało, nie może dojść. Podwozie go pan? W porządku?
Dobrze, noga mi ucieka. No, noga mi ucieka i nic więcej.
Powoli, powoli.
Dobrze, ja bardzo przepraszam.
Może lepiej do szpitala. Dobra, to powodzenia. Uwaga na palce.
A lady was left stranded in the middle of the road, and this kind biker pulled over to help push her car to the side for her own safety.
What happened to the stall?
When I saw it, anyway, thank you very much.
No, you're alright.
Java was in a dire need of some gas, and he had to ask this biker, who was already filling up, for help. Of course, this clip is yet another reason why we all love bikers.
Alrighty, man. Just go ahead and park. I'll go inside and run in there. Alrighty, man. I only had 10 on my card, but I got you $10, man.
Hey, that's better than nothing.
Hey, man, you stay safe out there.
This is how responsible people react when they see something fishy going on. From the looks of it, a fire broke out in the forest due to heat. Bikers immediately contact the police and firefighters and explain to them where the location is exactly. This is how everyone should react in case they notice a fire. Check out how they fared with it until the firefighters arrived.
Hey, I'm out here at Lake Siskiyou, back on North Shore Road. There's a big old smoke cloud. Has anybody seen that yet?
This is not good. Oh. Oh. It's too early for this. Ah.
Thanks, guys.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, here.
Yeah, you guys helped us find it. Yeah, but you guys are the ones that are going to stay here for the rest of your life and put it out.
This lady was left stranded in the middle of the road as her vehicle overheated. Biker pulled over and he did all he could in order to help. And even the police got involved. Check out how the situation played out.
You okay?
My car stopped.
Huh?
My car won't start.
You think it's your battery?
No, I think it's saying it overheated.
Overheated?
Yeah.
Did you see smoke coming out?
What?
Did you see smoke?
I don't know.
Did it start?
I can put it in neutral. but-
Yeah, your radiator's blown.
What?
Yeah, your radiator's blown.
I can't hear.
Your radiator.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's blown.
What's that mean?
It means that the car will be overheated.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why it won't start.
Oh, okay.
I think you try to turn it over.
After realizing what was going on, this officer used his vehicle to push her to the nearest gas station that was around 100 yards down the road. There, she was much more safer and the traffic could freely move on as well.
No, the battery's fine.
It looks like it's the battery.
I have a jump starter.
Alright, can you put your car in neutral?
It is.
It-
It's in neutral.
Can you
It's
get
in
your
neutral?
car and put the car in a neutral?
It's in neutral, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So, like you said, we push it right now, it'll roll.
Yeah, she blew her engine.
Okay. Well, we're gonna push you off into the mobile station, okay?
All right.
Like I'm not even put the hood down.
Videos like these always melt my heart. Biker noticed a granny who wanted to cross the road, but the congested traffic was in her way. Biker pulled over and helped her, of course. An old school move we don't see too often nowadays. Much respect to this kind biker for showing us that there are still gentlemen out there.
How's it going? You know what? I don't have money, but I have cold water. So, yeah, you're welcome. Hey, you want some water, bro?
Sure.
I got a bottle of water in my backpack.
I don't know if you might have time. I don't want you to miss your light.
People can wait. Here you go, man. It's pretty cold, so.
Thank you.
No, you're welcome.
Walk out here.
Hey, bro, do you want some water, dude?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. How you doing?
Good, man. How are you today?
Kind of like a baby treats a diaper and Rank's wife treats her husband, Rank's husband. But I'm a more shitty girl.
Yeah. Here you go, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome, dude.
And with this clip, we reached the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one as well. Hopefully, some of the clips shown in this episode opened up your heart a bit and made you realize that life ain't all that bad and that helping others is worthwhile. Thank you once again for your constant support so far. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.